Hi, good day. Today I want to listen to the connection between meditation and sexuality. The sexual energy, in my understanding, is the most fundamental, basic energy of life. We are being created and coming to this life through a sexual meeting, through a sexual encounter. And when we are meeting the combination between meditation and the lovemaking, we are opening to a very high state of consciousness. I want to share with you today a simple meditation that you can practice whenever you like, while you are making love, but also while you are just walking, reading, or anything else you are doing. So in this meditation, I invite you to lie down or to sit down in order to meet the basic energy of the meditation. After that, after you will meet it, you can do it while you are doing other things. So you can lie down or sit down in a comfortable place, close your eyes, and just take a few simple breaths. Inhale and exhale. After a few minutes of just breathing, I invite you to focus your energy, focus your attention on your sexual organ, your vagina or your penis. Allow yourself to breathe in your imagination, inside your sexual organ and outside of it. So, as a woman, now I inhale into my vulva, into my vagina, into my womb, and I imagine that the energy is flowing inside from my vulva to my heart. And in the inhale, it's coming down from my heart to my belly, to my vagina, to my vulva, and outside. And if I am a man, I will imagine that my breathing, my inhale is coming inside my penis, going all the way to my heart, and then going down from my heart to my belly, to my penis, and outside. Allow yourself to do that for at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes. When you want to meet the highest potential of a meditation, you should practice it at least 1 week every day. After 1 week, you will feel something, and you will know what is the place of this specific meditation in your life. Then you can combine it with other practices or let it go because it doesn't meet your specific needs in this time of life. So I'm sending you love and healing from my heart, and I will meet you again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.